So, using the 5 SECAR prompts in the previous lessons as a guide, you can start by asking lots of questions for each and every problem with an as-is process. Start asking yourself or discussing in your team if this could be achieved in a different way, without a loss of quality, and even with an improvement to customer service. Consider as many questions and answers as you can, and then look at those answers and work out which might be viable. Our Breaking Assumptions module can help you in doing this. Could any of them work to create a new process or improve an existing one? If viable, you can start to drill down to explore that process in more depth. And when you finally get to charting out the to-be processes, feel free to get creative. Typically, simplifying a process is outlined in green, eliminating a process in red, combining a process is outlined in amber, automating a process with a zigzag line, and finally, relocating a process is outlined in blue. This is called the Future State Process Map, and we shall cover this in more detail in our course on process maps.